Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greetings of virtue. Hello everyone, my name is Naila Oya with student ID number 2410912220025. Group 5 Kailasha. I am from Public Health Study Program, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, Lambung Mangkurat University. Today, I will talking about the ethics of following others, a moral responsibility from the essay that I have worked on. What is ethics? Ethics can be defined as the collection of norms and values that guide our behavior, influencing how we distinguish right from wrong. It stems from cultural ideologies and moral philosophies that shape individual and societal conduct. The role of students occupy a vital role as the intellectuals and future leaders. Their responsibility extends beyond academic pursuits. They are often seen as advocates for social justice and innovation. Their engagement in ethical discourse can drive social progress. Communication ethics and politeness. Effective communication is foundational to building and maintaining relationships. Politeness reflects a person's ethical stance and respect for others, essential in both personal and professional settings. The ethical use of language involves careful consideration of word choice, tone, and context. Polite communication creates a conducive atmosphere for dialogue, allowing for constructive exchange of ideas and feelings. The interconnections of ethics and morality. While ethics provides a framework for understanding moral philosophy, is concerned with real-world implications of human actions. Ethics prompts us to consider our responsibilities to ourselves and others. The impact of ethics on behavior in digital age. Ethics play a crucial role in guiding everyday decisions and actions, influencing how we treat others and how we expect to be treated in return. A strong ethical foundation can lead to more meaningful and productive interactions. The summary of this essay is: ethics are integral to nurturing respectful relationships and fostering a cohesive society. By understanding and applying ethical principles, individuals contribute to a culture of mutual respect and moral responsibility. These are the references that I use for my essay. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.